At Thermo Fisher Scientific, one of our goals is to find a better way every day. What that means for our customers is that we can solve for a variety of development and manufacturing challenges, such as low bioavailability and solubility of a molecule, overcoming scale-up issues that can occur over the course of development or tech transfer, and optimizing supply chain processes to ensure the success of our customers' clinical and commercial programs. Regardless of company size, as a trusted partner, we know every pain point our customers may have during their journey from molecule to medicine. Our goal is to provide the expertise and experience needed for their projects to be successful without any trade-offs. Collaborative expertise, transparency, and open communication are the basis of our trustful partnership with all our customers.
At Thermo Fisher Scientific, our global network of OSD sites has an unrivaled capability which stands out in the CDMO landscape, providing advanced digital tools, analytical and manufacturing capabilities to serve our customers from the smallest R&D manufacturing scale through to large commercial production. At Thermo Fisher, one of the benefits of having small-scale development and large production-scale commercial manufacturing under one roof is the ability to work both fast and flexibly to meet the needs of early clinical manufacturing in the context of teams of scientists and engineers that are experienced to take those products from the bench to the large-scale commercial production. Thermo Fisher's manufacturing excellence is really ultimately all about delivering for patients. Matching flexible capacity and scale is really all about delivering drugs on time, when and where they're needed for patients.
Oral solid dosage forms are still going to be popular as they are the patient-friendly dosage forms and patients can self-administer them. Oral solid dosage forms are flexible and have less compliance issues and are still going to be popular dosage forms in the pharmaceutical industry. With more than 50+ years of experience at Thermo Fisher, our scientists bring breadth and depth of experience to the oral solid dose development and commercial manufacturing of drug products. Bringing speed and efficiency in drug product development early on helps our partners bring their medications to clinical trials and confirming efficacy results, and then scaling it up appropriately to phase 2, phase 3, and towards filing and approval.